Cisco One software for WAN. It is inevitable. Are we ready? Change is innovation, growth. Change is the new normal. Our customers want outcomes, business relevance, agility, simplicity. Software is core to the digital world, and Cisco customers are already getting big results. Imagine the possibilities of transitioning Wi-Fi from an IT cost center to a revenue enabler. Learn more about Cisco, how Cisco software can create new opportunities for you.
Things are constantly changing in IT. We're at another one of those places today where the shift is really becoming towards software and the value that software brings. So it's important to shift the story into solving problems, getting a little higher, and putting together an entire solution so you're not so concerned about just slinging a box. How do you raise that level of conversation? How do you show thought leadership to show some value from a true partner relationship to where you become a trusted advisor and help guide them along their roadmap? Well, Cisco One has really enabled us to have a higher level conversation with customers about their vision. It's taking a lot of parts, a lot of products, and combining them into easy to consume solutions, shifting the focus from the hardware into the software. So it allows you to get to a whole different discussion with the customer and figure out, hey, where are you going in your roadmap? Are there things that you were looking to do that these will all help you accomplish? By changing the way the licensing model works, by changing the way the conversation is had, now the emphasis is on, hey, we really are a software company. When you go to buy music, you don't pick instruments, pick musicians, cobble together all the different tracks and, try to assemble your own song. I want to hear the whole song. The song is where the beauty is. And that's Cisco One. Cisco One is all the parts put together in a way that makes sense, in a way that makes music the way that you want to listen to it. It's a hit. It works for us. It's great.
Personalization, mobility, analytics, digitalization of business, democratization of applications. Cisco's software strategy incorporates 4 basic principles. First and foremost, focus on the user experience. The goal being that the user experience is intuitive, immersive, and consistent. Second, the entire portfolio is cloud-ready. This provides the customer the ability to be agile and adaptive in their business needs. Third, we deploy an application-centric infrastructure. Because of this focus, we are able to integrate security into the applications that run our customers' business. And finally, consumption model flexibility. This is the cornerstone of allowing our customers to migrate from premise to cloud and perpetual to subscription. In other words, total flexibility as their licensing requirements evolve. These principles are key to market disruption in a digital age. Customers need software flexibility to increase their business velocity. Introducing Cisco One software, a more valuable and flexible way to consume Cisco software. It provides a simpler licensing model, better total cost of ownership, and access to constant innovation. Let's take a look now at the fundamentals of the Cisco One software offering. Cisco One software is comprised of a 3x3 structure. The 3 architectures are Data Center, WAN, and Access. Within Data Center is divided into networking and compute. And in the Access architecture, we have switching and wireless. In addition, from a software perspective, there is Foundation, Advanced Application, and Advanced Security. These 3 levels of software offerings provide the customer bundled capabilities within each level of software. We will cover this in greater detail when we review the 3 architectures and subsequent modules. In summary, the 3x3 Cisco One software model is 3 architectures and 3 software levels. Customers benefit with this model as we have incorporated many software capabilities in each bundle. They can access and use those capabilities as their business requirements demand. So what is Cisco One? Cisco One takes what used to be hundreds and hundreds of choices when it came to hardware and software and combines them to make a simple 3x3 option to acquire Cisco software. The result of this simplification makes it easier to buy as well as sell. Cisco One also decouples the software features from the hardware, enabling software license portability and access to ongoing innovation for the life of the software versus the hardware. And finally, licenses are perpetual or subscription-based and have several ELA options to use for procurement. So in summary, Cisco One software makes it easier to buy and sell, allows portability and innovation, and gives our customers the flexibility of licensing in the way that makes the most sense to them. When we look at Cisco One software from the lifetime perspective, we have 3 ideal opportunities to sell Cisco One software: at purchase, in deployment, and at refresh. The first is a purchase. There are economies of scale and a lower TCO, and simplified purchasing make this an attractive offer to explore with the customer. The second would be for those customers with Cisco deployed. These customers will need to be sold on the broader feature set, ongoing innovation, and improved management that Cisco One brings. Third, customers at refresh are ideal candidates since TCO, portability, ongoing innovation, etc. can be leveraged at this stage with the customer. Cisco One software really helps us in several areas. With regard to customer relevance, by aligning our software solutions into the business, we will naturally gain relevance in this area. Another great area is in the deal size increase using Cisco One software. On average, deals will go up by approximately 10 to 15%, and I suppose if you review that with our annual goal increases, Cisco One software may help bridge that gap. Competitive displacement is an absolute benefit of Cisco One software. Using the bundling effect to create better value using Cisco and displacing a competitor should not be overlooked. And naturally, as our customers utilize more of our software, we will create greater stickiness for Cisco software and hardware with our customers. As customers deploy a broader software suite, our overall business will naturally grow with additional hardware and software. Let's take a look at Cisco One software for WAN. Cisco One software is a new software offer. You need to sell the business relevance to create the desire for adoption. Have you ever seen a TV commercial and you watched it and you thought, wow, I really need to buy that. I want to buy that thing. And you don't even really know what just happened. You just saw the spot and now you want to buy something. You have the thought, I want to get out there and buy it. What if I could teach you the process we use with Cisco to make customers desire that Cisco One software? And you can apply it making your customers desire working with you, buying more software from you, attracting more of your ideal customers to you. What if I could give you a few questions and scenarios that you could use as you go to market with Cisco One software? Questions to ask your customers that would help them grow their business and help them attract more customers to their business, helping you help them, thereby helping you sell more software to them. Today, we are creating possibilities by transitioning Cisco hardware and software business from something you are trying to sell to something people want to buy. This module will help you understand the use cases, functionality, and finally, the contents of the Cisco One software suite for the WAN offers. Your success comes from a foundational understanding of your customer's line of business challenges and desires and their market environment. What your customers really want to know is not just how to cut the bottom line, but to also grow the top line. That's what they really care about. Your job is to ask them questions that make them think differently about their business. You don't have to grow their business for them. You have to ask them the right questions to get them to think about things they aren't thinking about in their business right now that can make a difference for them. Then, you can position Cisco One software features into powerful and relevant solutions that justify its new pricing model. Let's look at a couple customer personas that align themselves with Cisco One for WAN. At the foundation level, Cisco One software will allow customers to create an intelligent WAN. This is ideal for customers that aim to connect their branches or campus over any connection in a secure and cost-optimized way. All of the software needed to accomplish this, such as intelligent WAN, performance-based routing, application visibility, context and optimization, complete branch security, network management, and energy management, are included in one simple bundle. At the advanced application level, Cisco One software allows you to create the next generation branch with integrated voice and video across branch and campus to increase your business's productivity. This includes Voice Gateway for PSTN and analog connectivity, Session Border Control for IPPSTN connectivity, Survivable Remote Site Telephony, Distributed Call Control for the Enterprise Branch. An overarching value proposition is the ongoing access to software updates and innovation from the time of purchase of Cisco One software into the future. Cisco One Software Foundation for WAN helps customers to connect their branches or campus securely and cost-optimized for a superior user experience. Additional benefits at the foundation level include an uncompromised experience with application and network awareness, the ability to deploy hybrid WAN with up to 5 nines of reliability, while maximizing their investment with efficient WAN utilization. Deployment is easy, whether large or small, through automated WAN deployment with centralized policy and distributed enforcement. The Foundation for WAN provides the software needed to rapidly deploy a WAN network that will result in higher business revenue and allow you to outpace your competition. With WAN collaboration, your customer can leverage software capabilities to integrate voice and video across branch and campus. All the software is bundled into one package to simplify the implementation of collaboration services customized for the branch office. With improved branch and cloud telephony reliability and simplified migration from TDM to SIP trunking, WAN also enables customers to migrate to IP telephony at their own pace and budget. Do you have a customer planning or established in a large branch office strategy? The third bundle of software under Cisco One Software for WAN is the Advanced Security component. This bundle delivers the security necessary to support a WAN environment. For Cisco ASA products, the benefits include the ability to secure the enterprise perimeter and branches with built-in advanced security in Cisco ISR and ASR platforms. Customers also value the features that safeguard against threats, such as malware, intrusions, and denial of service attacks, and provide superior perimeter security, content filtering, and threat defense with malware detection and advanced traffic inspection and malware detection. For Cisco ISR and ASR products, the benefits include real-time web protection, plus granular application visibility and control with Cisco Cloud Web Security and advanced malware protection with detection and blocking, continuous analysis, and retrospective alerting. The WAN is safeguarded through advanced security for advanced threats to defeat known and unknown threats, and the ability to analyze more than 100 terabytes of security intelligence and 13 billion web requests daily to detect and mitigate threats. Let's take a look at the Cisco One software for WAN from the total cost of ownership perspective. By comparing the present and future costs and benefits, TCO considers all costs over the lifecycle, pre-use, usable life, and post-usable life. With the Cisco One software suite, you can see that total cost of ownership can provide savings from approximately 3 to 5%, all the way up to an excess of 50%, depending on the configuration and products offered. This is one of the key go-to-market value propositions that have been identified when positioning Cisco One with your customers. And to support that the suite itself is so competitively priced with the flexible consumption model, allowing licensing to be portable to new platforms in the future is additional benefit. The additional cost above the base OS becomes justifiable when customers are presented with these additional features. The Cisco One software suite offers better value on Cisco software. To purchase the same capabilities and software as the Cisco One suite for Foundation on an ISR 2900 a la carte is $6,180. To purchase the same offering using Cisco One, you would pay $4,300 with 30% savings, creating between 5 to 20% cost savings for typical Cisco One software deals over 5-year TCO, plus access to ongoing software innovation and license portability. Cisco One software sales require a commitment to Swiss as an ongoing purchase. In this example, we show an example of the total TCO over a 6-year period. As you can see, the customer enjoys an 11% savings at purchase with the Cisco One software bundle for WAN. The bottom line, This sale works best if you have positioned an IWAN solution to allow the Cisco One software advanced application level to justify its additional cost in business outcomes or benefits. It's all about business value. Then the financial value will only make things look better. Then at refresh, in this case shown in 6 years, the IWAN Foundation software does not need to be repurchased. The result is significant savings when the hardware is refreshed at this time. The only fees carried forward are Swiss and SmartNet. Let's look at services and support for Cisco One software. SmartNet and SmartNet Total Care are focused on the hardware and basic OS support, including operating system software updates, downloading new maintenance releases, patches and updates of Cisco One software will enhance and extend the life of your devices. On average, there are 6 million OS downloads a year. SmartNet is only required for the first year, but should be associated with Cisco One software throughout the lifetime of the purchase. Swiss should be associated with Cisco One software throughout the purchase's lifetime. Swiss can maximize your technology investments by increasing the performance of current functionality, adding new functionality that in many cases requires no additional hardware investment, enhancing network availability, reliability, and stability, and license portability. The technical services for Cisco One software is comprised of 2 services that cover hardware and software support. Software support service, which supports the 3 product Cisco One software product types: Advanced Security, Advanced Application, and Foundation. SmartNet and SmartNet Total Care support the infrastructure layer and base operating system. Cisco One software services are offered in service plan designed to give customers the best service option to suit their specific business outcomes. Day One offerings provide support for each client as they plan and build their network services. For Cisco One software, the Day One service is known as Quick Start Fixed Price. Quick Start Fixed Price is designed to offer customers a set of services aligned with the plan and building required to create effective business solutions. Day 2 services focus on the ongoing management and optimization of the network, allowing customers to operate with maximum efficiency and agility. The guided implementation team and help desk resources included in this service enable customers to reduce their risk while implementing Cisco One software, accelerate adoption, and utilize the full feature set available within the software. Included in the Quick Start services for Day One are 3 primary components: strategy, planning, and design. These are fixed price services and will guide your customer through their implementation of Cisco One software solutions. Optimization Day 2 services provides high value by providing the customer with the ability to have the Cisco software service team fine-tune performance, meaning improvements in speed and efficiency can and should be expected that in turn can outperform their competition. Let's look at Day One services that you can sell with Cisco One software for WAN. Introducing Quick Start service for Cisco One WAN Foundation. This is a fixed price offering that provides network plan and design services for WAN Foundation for Intelligent WAN and Next Generation Branch. Included is design validation and testing at the customer site or Cisco site. Foundations also reduces the duration to adopt the full features of the Cisco Intelligent WAN and Next Generation Branch projects by proactively identifying potential gaps and risks and providing access to a knowledge library. The service is priced in 3 levels based on complexity low, medium, and high. The variations are not a reflection of the network size, but rather of the complexity of the network. The Quick Start service for Foundation level is priced based on the 3 levels of complexity and scope of the work that is provided. A highlight of the service attributes for low complexity includes design and deployment documents, no changes to existing quality of service design, up to 3 representative branch type designs, IWAN standard features, Cisco One Prime Foundation for one of the following Prime infrastructure, virtual network analysis module, or data center network manager scenario. A highlight of the service attributes for medium complexity includes design, migration, and deployment documents, minor changes to existing quality of service design, 4 to 6 representative branch type designs, 1 to 3 IWAN advanced features, no integration with third-party platforms, with exception of Akami Connect, an existing deployment requiring moderate changes to legacy network for migration, WAN advanced features. A highlight of the service attributes for high complexity includes design, migration, and deployment documents, major changes or complete overhaul of quality of service design, 7 or more representative branch type designs, 4 or more IWAN advanced features, integration with third-party platforms that is required. Cisco One Software provides a quick start service for WAN collaboration. This is a fixed price offering that establishes voice over IP, including the plan and build services for WAN Foundation for collaboration infrastructure, such as infrastructure network readiness assessment, customer requirements gathering, architecture validation, detailed design development, and network implementation planning. The WAN collaboration service is offered in 3 different bundles based on network complexity. WAN UC collaboration, low, medium, and high complexity. The high complexity is priced as a custom quote. The scope and sizing for the Quick Start service for WAN collaboration is based on the following attributes. For low, up to 10 branches, 2,000 users within the single theater. Greenfield, no integration with legacy PBX, LDAP, third-party apps. For medium, up to 250 branches, 5,000 users within the single theater. For high, up to 500 branches, 5,000 users, up to 3 theaters. Now, let's look at how to create a bill of materials for a Cisco One software purchase. This section assumes you have access to and the knowledge related to navigating Cisco tools, such as the Cisco Commerce Workspace. If not, we recommend that you watch the Bill of Materials module included with this course. Under the traditional BOM, you had hundreds of choices to configure. You had to choose which of the hundreds of available features you would apply to that specific device, then determine the meter, and then what services you would apply. Under the traditional way of creating a BOM, there were 69 levels of service within SmartNet alone. The bottom line is that in a traditional BOM, you had hundreds of SKUs combined with over 40 components and 20 product families. With a Cisco One software BOM, you have a base platform which includes your iOS and product support, 2 software offerings, services, and price. This greatly reduces the variables while increasing the value to the customer. To get a foundational level understanding of all the different software suites and the value that they offer, please make sure to complete the Foundations and Architectures tracks of the Cisco One Software e-learning program. Instead of having to match features to meter, now you only have to select from one of the 3 software bundles and select the services component, simplifying the process for Cisco account teams and making it simpler for the customer to understand the BOM. Global Virtual Engineering, or GVE, offers a tremendous resource as you begin to sell the Cisco One software offerings. Global Virtual Engineering is a pre-sales team of engineers that specializes in each of Cisco's architectures. This team supports the Cisco internal sales teams via the Technology Solutions Network, or TSN, and the partner sales teams through Partner Help, or PH, and/or Partner Help Plus, or PH Plus. The Cisco internal sales teams and partner sales teams can engage Global Virtual Engineering for pre-sales technical support 24 hours a day, 5 days a week from anywhere in the world. The Global Virtual Engineering engineers can provide assistance with your Cisco One software opportunities. The engineers can provide details about Cisco One software solutions. More specifically, the engineers can articulate the value proposition and positioning for specific solutions within the bundle. Global Virtual Engineering can also assist in the creation of any preliminary bill of material. In addition, Global Virtual Engineering has a team focused specifically on technical services to assist with any Cisco One software support services, or SWIS. A Cisco Smart Account is the new way for customers to view and manage Cisco software licenses and entitlements across their entire organization. Smart Accounts provide many benefits. Provide enterprise-wide visibility and management of software purchases and licenses. Manage users and permissions to entitlements. Track usage of licenses and associated devices. Enable license portability, eliminate PAC registration, and simplify RMA rehosting. A Smart Account is required for Cisco One software products to enable license portability. All end customers must complete a one-time setup of a Smart Account. A Smart Account is not required to place a Cisco One software order, but will be in the near future. Only current exception is Enterprise Cloud Suite, as it contains a smart licensing product. A customer Smart Account is required to complete order fulfillment for Cisco One software products. If you have a Cisco One software opportunity in your pipeline, it is best to proactively help your customer create a Smart Account prior to booking a Cisco One software order. Anyone with a Cisco User ID, CCO ID, can request a new Smart Account on behalf of the customer. If a Smart Account is not created by the time of order processing, the software operations team will reach out to the customer to help them set up their Smart Account. The link to set up a new Smart Account can be found in the PowerPoint notes of this module. Congratulations! Now you can pitch Cisco One software in every deal. Remember to position Cisco One software early in the deal process. Practically every deal can be a Cisco One software opportunity. Understand and speak specifically to your customers' business outcomes. This will help you increase your deal sizes and create upside opportunities. Mark deals in Salesforce as Cisco One software opportunities. This will give you access to more resources designed to help you close the deal. Take your competitors by surprise. Use Cisco One software suite to change the value proposition from a hardware and software sale to a tool to grow your customer's business. To receive more information, navigate to the other modules included in the Cisco One software training program tracks.